welcome back to my channel. In today's video I played with makeup. To be honest, this is not new products, it's not anything like that. I just played in makeup, and this is the gorgeous look that I created. It's kind of a sunset look on the eyes, and then also a nice kind of bold lip to go with it. I love how this look turned out. So you can see I'm rocking my natural hair. I've just did a braid out and I love how it looks. I have to do it again. I'm really enjoying figuring out what works with my hair as well. I hope that you guys enjoy this makeup video. I'm going to do another voiceover because I'm enjoying doing that at the moment. So let's jump right in.
Taking the Smashbox primer and just applying that to my lids and just blending it in with my finger. And I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty concealer and just applying that to my lids. And then I'm going to use my finger just to blend that out and make everything seamless. And I'm going in with the Lauramercier translucent powder and set that into place. Taking the makeup Regeneration palette, just going in with Daydream as my transition color and just applying that into my crease and also bringing it down onto my lids. As you can see, a transition color is important to make sure everything blends seamlessly together. Then I'm going to go in with Half Time and just going to apply that out to my outer V and also drag that down onto my lids a bit. Going into Ricochet, I'm going to blend that on the outer V and also into my crease and bring it inwards into my tear dot area so that everything is just seamlessly blended. Taking Exclusive, which is a pink, and I'm just going to apply that a bit below Ricochet just to brighten up the look. I'm taking New Day now, which is a yellow. I'm just going to use that to blend everything out. Taking Half Time and I'm going back over everything as well because this is kind of a sunset look. Taking the Fenty concealer, I'm just going to use that to cut out the center of my lid so that I could apply a gorgeous gold kind of color. As you can see, I just went in there, and then I'm just going in with a tiny brush and just blend that to make sure everything's flawless. Taking a Smashbox, I don't remember what kind of eyeshadow palette this is, and I'm just going in with this kind of gold. It reminds me of a sunset. I'm just pressing that onto the center of my lids. As you can see, it's just gorgeous and it goes well with this look. Check the description box for everything. Taking Ricochet again and a smaller, more precise brush, I'm just going in and blending everything together so everything is flawless. Now I'm going in with Haunted to kind of deepen up this look a bit more and just apply more depth to it. And as you can see, it just turned out gorgeous. And I'm just blending. This is just back and forth work now, where I just go back to all the colors that I've used, so I blend everything together well. So I'm going in with the Betty Lou Illuminizer and just applying that to my brow bone. I haven't used this in so long, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Going back in with the New Day again, that yellow, and just blending everything together. As I said, it's just back and forth work now. Now I'm taking Ricochet and I'm just going in and just blending everything together just to make sure everything is seamless. Just taking Daydream and just making sure I blend out any harsh lines that I have. Now I'm going in with their Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And taking my trusty dusty Smashbox primer oil, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face and just blend that in well because you know I have dry skin. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Multi Sculpt Concealer in Chestnut, and I'm just going to apply that to everywhere that I have this coloration on my skin. And then I'm just going to go in with the Real Technique sponge to just blend that into place. As you can see, it does cancel everything. Taking the Nars Natural Radiant foundation, I'm just going to apply that all over my skin. I'll leave everything in the description box so you'll know what shade I use for myself. But as you can see, it's a gorgeous foundation and it blends seamlessly into the skin. Taking the Too Faced and the Fenty Beauty concealer, I'm just going to mix those two together. I'm highlighting everywhere that I mainly highlight, underneath my eyes, bridging my nose, chin, everywhere that you will normally highlight. And then I'm just going to go back in with that same beauty blender from Real Technique and just blend this all together. As you can see, it just blends seamlessly. I do love this sponge. I forget how much I love this sponge because I've been using the beauty blender for so long. Taking the Lauramercier translucent powder, I'm just going to set that all into place so that don't budge throughout the day. And I'm just going to add a bit to my smile lines so that it don't crease as much as the day will go along. Taking Honey from Fenty Beauty powder, the translucent powder, and just using that to set the rest of my face and also dust off the excess powder that I have on my skin. Now I'm going in with the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just going to spritz my face because that just takes away all that powdery look, and also use in Morphe continuous spray just to make sure I lock that into place. Take in the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I'm just going to use that to just warm up my skin. It is a gorgeous bronzer. This is in Cocoa Naughty, and I just love how this applies to my skin. It feels like butter, and I look like I'm sun-kissed. Taking the Betty Lou Luminizer again, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my face, so the top of my cheeks, bridge of my nose. I'm just going to apply to where the light would naturally hit, and as you can see now I'm going in with Format from MAC, which is a blush, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. It's a gorgeous blush. It's very subtle. It's great for women of color, and I love how this looks. Now I'm going back in with the palette, the Revolution palette, and I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line with the same colors I use on the lid. I'm just using those to just smoke everything out and make everything seamless. So everything, not seamless, what's the word I'm looking for? So everything just looks appealing to the eyes. Now I'm going in with the number 77 gel liner from Inglot. Apply that, and also lashes, and taking the Maybelline Big Shot mascara and just did my lashes and everything. Now I'm just setting my brows into place. I'm going in with the Urban Decay 24-hour liner. Don't remember what one it was, and I'm just outlining my lips. And then I forgot to show you the MAC lipstick that I'm wearing. As I said, please check the description box for everything. I will have it listed there. I'm just doing kind of an ombre lip, as you can see, because I just thought it went well with this look, and I'm just applying some gloss. Please check the description box for everything.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. As you can see, it is just a gorgeous summery look. I really enjoyed playing with makeup and creating this look. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section. Also remember, when you hit the thumbs up button, you actually let me know what you want to see on my channel. So please do that, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So bye for now.